Good morning, children. Today start the class for second standard computer science. Before class we will learn for parts of the computer. Parts of the computer is have for 5 parts: CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, speaker. Children, I give now some example. So I show here now. First one is here apple. I take now. Then how to make the juice. Mixer is used to make the fruit juice for apple. So first input is needed for apple, then mixer machine is needed to do for make the juice, then take the output result of apple juice. The same concept is used in a computer. So first one is input device. So here used for keyboard. This keyboard give the numbers for 2 plus 3. Then CPU is do the calculation 2 plus 3. 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 3 you are do the sum for method of calculation. But computer machine is do for 2 plus 3. Find out the answer within a second. 5 is the answer. So show the screen for monitor, that is called for output device. So computer is used for 3 parts: input, processor, output. So this is for monitor screen. So this monitor screen is used to helpful for output device. So this one display the result in the screen. Next one, keyboard. Keyboard is used to give the instruction for numbers, letters A to Z, and arrow keys and function keys. So arrow keys is used to play the games up, down, arrow left, arrow right. Then next one input device is mouse pointer. So this mouse pointer is used for selection option. So left hand side used for single click or double click. Then right hand side select pop-up menu. Then center button is used for scroll button up and down. Okay children, this is used for input device. The next one I show now, single click. This one is used to open the option for object. Then second one is double click. That one is open the document. The next one, scroll button is used the example for stars up or down. The next one, mouse is used for drag option. Small size picture used to mouse. So drag, you see the screen for big size of the picture. That is a drag option. The next one option used the mouse for right hand side mouse button. This one is used to select for pop-up menu. You want to do for edit option or cut or copy option, used to select for right click button for mouse. Then select for pop-up menu, it shows all the options. Finally I show now what are the option available for mouse. Mouse is used for single click. So mouse is called for mouse pointer. Then mouse is used to double click, open the document, or used for left hand button. So this is the options used for input device in your computer. Next one for output device. Printer is called for the one kind of output device. So printer is used to take the picture copy, hard copy. That one is used to say hard copy. Paper document is used to take now. That is for used to helpful for future or show the record. Take only black and white or color document. Okay. Then next one, input devices. Keyboard, mouse. The next one, CPU is a central processing unit. So this one is called for the brain of the computer. The main part is CPU is used to the computer. CPU have for 3 parts. First one is memory unit, second one is control unit, third one for arithmetic and logic unit. So memory unit is used to save the information. Control unit do the work for get the input and process after send the result of the output. Then arithmetic and logic unit is used to do for the mathematical operation for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So this is the main work for the CPU process for the computer. Next one is speaker, printer. These two part is used to do for the output unit. So printer and speaker is used for the output device. Okay, speaker is easy to hear the audio. The next one, printer is take the printout copy. Okay children, this is 5 parts in the computer: input device, output device and processor, but used for 3 process. Okay, thank you children. You understand the concept for the computer. Once again, thank you children.